Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to experience astral projection. Whether you're a curious beginner or someone who's practiced before, this guide will walk you through the process of achieving an out-of-body experience. First, let's create the perfect environment. To begin, you'll want a quiet, peaceful space where you can relax without distractions. Dim the lights, or better yet, turn them off entirely. A comfortable, calming space will help ease your mind and prepare your body for relaxation. Lie down on a soft surface, like a bed or a mat, with your arms resting at your sides. Make sure you're comfortable and won't be disturbed. Now, let's focus on relaxation. Begin by taking slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body relax with each breath. Let your mind become still, and as you breathe, focus on relaxing each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving upwards. Tense each body part for a few seconds, then release the tension as you exhale. Imagine each muscle letting go, melting into the surface beneath you. Release all tension. Feel your body growing heavier, yet lighter in spirit, sinking into the peaceful stillness of the moment. Now that you're deeply relaxed, let's move to the next step. Visualization. Picture a rope hanging above your head. Imagine it swaying gently in the air, just out of reach. Reach out with your mind, and imagine your hands gripping the rope. Slowly, begin to pull yourself upward. Feel the sensation of floating, as if your body is light and free. With each pull, feel yourself gently rising out of your physical body. Focus on this sensation, and let go of any thoughts that may distract you. Allow yourself to float higher and higher, slowly separating from the body below. As you float above your physical body, you may begin to experience a sensation of vibrations or a buzzing feeling. This is a sign that your astral body is preparing to separate. Don't be alarmed. This is a natural part of the process. Stay calm, breathe deeply, and allow these vibrations to intensify. Let go of any fear or discomfort, and trust that you are safe. Feel your consciousness fully detach and rise further from your physical body. Now, as you begin to experience separation, you may find yourself in a vast, new space. This is your astral plane. Some people report traveling to distant locations, meeting beings of light, or exploring different dimensions. Stay open-minded and curious, and enjoy the sensation of exploration. You are free to move and explore this realm. Trust your instincts, and feel the freedom of this journey. When you're ready to return, simply imagine yourself gently floating back toward your body. Visualize your astral self reconnecting with your physical form. There is no rush. The return is just as calm as the departure. Take a deep breath and feel yourself re-enter your body. Allow the sensations of touch, warmth, and weight to gently return. With each breath, feel more connected to your physical self. Remember, astral projection may take time and practice. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't happen immediately. Keep experimenting with these steps regularly, and with patience, you may begin to notice subtle shifts in your awareness. Keep an open heart and mind as you explore the possibilities of your consciousness. Reflect on your experience after each attempt. Writing down your feelings, sensations, and any images you saw can help you better understand your journey. Every practice brings you closer to the experience you're seeking. Thank you for watching this guide on how to experience astral projection. Trust the process, stay curious, and explore with an open heart. Your journey into the mysteries of consciousness has just begun. Remember to subscribe for more guides on meditation, mindfulness, and exploring the boundaries of your mind. Until next time, may your travels be peaceful and your spirit free.